Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we dig into the nitty-gritty of corporate filings to find out what is really going on beneath the surface. Today we're looking at Hycroft Mining Holding Corporation's latest report. It seems like they've got some interesting drill results coming out. Before we jump in, if you like understanding what these official documents mean for companies and investors, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. Also, we have a fantastic community over on Discord, links in the description below. You should definitely check it out for more discussions. So what exactly is this document we are looking at? Well, it's a Form 8K, which is essentially a report that companies have to file when they have something pretty important to announce. Think of it like breaking news for a company. And in this case, the breaking news is about new information from their 2025 to 2026 exploration drill program. This form tells us that Hycroft Mining Holding Corporation is sharing some additional drill results. Now, why is this important? Well, for a mining company like Hycroft, the results of their exploration drills can really signal the potential for future discoveries, and that directly impacts their value. It is like a treasure hunt, and they are telling us about some promising new leads. The report is dated the 22nd of December 2025, and that is precisely when they announced these new findings. Companies are required to report these significant events promptly, and this 8K filing does just that. Now let's think about what this means for Hycroft Mining Holding Corporation. They are in the mining business, and exploration is their R&D, their research and development, essentially. The success of these exploration programs can lead to the discovery of new valuable mineral deposits, which in turn fuels their entire operation. So these drill results are not just data points, they are potential indicators of future wealth and growth. The company is incorporated in Delaware, which is a common state for many businesses. And that is just a formality when it comes to understanding the core news here. What we really care about are the operational announcements, and in this report, the company is talking about their exploration efforts. We are not going to get bogged down in contact details or specific addresses, because that is not the story here. This section here is about other types of communications that might be related, and it is basically saying they are not simultaneously triggering special communication rules. Hycroft Mining Holding Corporation has Class A common stock traded on the Nasdaq stock market LLC under the ticker symbol HIMP. This is how investors can buy and sell shares of the company. The company has indicated that it is not utilizing the extended transition period for adopting new or revised financial accounting standards, which basically means they are keeping up to date with accounting rules. This part of the filing is really the heart of the announcement. It directly tells us that on the 22nd of December 2025, Hycroft Mining Holding Corporation issued a press release to share these additional drill results. Regulation, FD, or fair disclosure is all about making sure that important information is released to everyone at the same time, not just to select individuals. So when they put out this press release, it had to be made public for all investors. This is essentially the headline news. They found more information from their ongoing search for valuable minerals. Think about it like this: if you are looking for gold and you find another promising spot, your excitement level goes up. That is what these drill results represent for a mining company. This means that the actual press release with all the details of the drill results is included with this report. So if you want to see exactly what they found, you would look at that attached document. This is a standard disclaimer. It means that while this information is important for investors to know, it is being presented in a way that it's not formally treated as part of the company's official SEC filings for certain legal purposes. It's like saying this is important news, but we are not legally committing to it as a formal financial statement in this specific context. It's a bit of legalese to shield the company from certain types of legal claims related to this specific disclosure method. This section tells us what other documents are attached. And here we see Exhibit 99.1 again labelled as the press release dated the 22nd of December 2025. This is the crucial document containing the actual drill results. Then there is Exhibit 104. This is a standard exhibit for SEC filings nowadays. It is an interactive data file, often in a format called inline XBRL, which makes financial data more machine, readable and accessible for analysis. This confirms the date of the report again. And here we have the signature of Rebecca A. Jennings, Senior Vice President and General Counsel. This signifies that the company has officially reviewed and authorized this filing. Now let's talk about the big picture here. What we've seen in this filing is a company announcing new exploration findings. For Hycroft Mining Holding Corporation, this is where the real potential lies. These drill results could indicate the presence of significant mineral deposits that could be economically viable to extract. This often leads to a re-evaluation of the company's long-term prospects and can influence its stock price. Without seeing the actual press release itself, which is Exhibit 99.1, we can infer that the company believes these results are noteworthy enough to share with investors. In the world of mining, exploration is the engine of future growth. If these new drill results are positive, it means Hycroft could have access to more resources, perhaps of higher quality or in more accessible locations. This could translate into increased production capacity, lower extraction costs, and ultimately higher profitability down the line. It is a key indicator of how well the company is positioned for the future. However, it is also important to remember that exploration is inherently risky. Not every drill result leads to a profitable mine. There are many stages of development and significant capital investment involved, even after promising results. Looking at this filing from a strategic perspective, Hycroft is clearly focused on expanding its resource base. This is a sensible approach for a mining company. The success of this 2025 to 2026 exploration drive IL program will be a critical factor in the company's trajectory. We would need to see the actual press release to understand the specifics of these drill results, like the types of minerals found, the grades, and the potential economic impact. But the mere disclosure of additional results suggests they are actively pursuing growth opportunities. So to wrap up, this filing is all about Hycroft Mining Holding Corporation sharing exciting new information from its exploration efforts. It is a signal that the company is actively working to potentially expand its future resource base. We'll be keeping a close eye on any further announcements related to these drill results to see if they translate into tangible opportunities for the company. What are your thoughts on Hycroft Mining Holding Corporation's exploration updates? Do you think these drill results will be a game changer for them? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this breakdown helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps us out, and of course subscribe for more corporate deep dives. Don't forget to join our Discord community linked in the description for ongoing discussions and insights. Thanks for watching. See you next time.